It's morning again. Well, at least it's the weekend and I don't have school. Let me check the weather. Oh, it's still dark outside. And it's raining. It's the middle of summer. Let me go get ready. Wait, it's still dark outside. Maybe I should just go back to bed. Yeah, because I'm still tired. Let me close the curtain. Hopefully I don't wake up Lily. Now let me just go back to bed. Ugh, I can't fall asleep again. Let me just get ready then. Okay, let me just go brush my teeth now. Okay, now what should I wear? Should I wear this? Nah, it's still raining. Is it? Yeah, it is. It's probably too cold for that. This? No, that's ugly. This? No, that's way too warm for now. This? Let me think between this and the strawberry one. I think I'll just wear the strawberry one. Now let me go put my hair clip on. Okay, I'm starting to get hungry now, but first, let me play with my blocks. Okay, I'm hungry now. Let me go to the kitchen. Daisy, why are you up so early? It's still 6 a.m. The sun hasn't even come up yet. Well, it's actually 7 a.m. Okay, but you don't even have school today or tomorrow, and it's still really early. Well, you make me sleep so early that I have to wake up really early because it only takes 9 hours for me, and then my brain wants to wake up because it has enough sleep. Yeah, maybe that's why I woke up so early. Well, okay, what do you want to eat for breakfast? Well, I don't really know. Or maybe cereal. Nah, I think I'll have eggs and orange juice. Okay. Oh, and don't forget the soy sauce. Okay, I won't. I'll cook that right away for you.
A few moments later.
Okay, Daisy, here's your breakfast. Would you like to eat it in the kitchen or in the living room? Probably the living room. Okay, I'll bring your food out for you.